Shower doohickey. Well, I was gonna put my AC in here. Got the hole, the drain. It's in there with the water heater. But it's not a good idea. Just not enough room right here. So, I put it under the table. We've got a storage area there. Perfect little spot. Had to cut a little bit out. Cut a little bit out right there. Just to mount the filter grill. Got plenty of room for the ductwork. Everything, plenty of room. Need to run the ductwork. Fill in that gap right there. Maybe move it over. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. Before you know it, we'll have AC and heat. A little heat pump. Pretty nice little unit. Can't wait. And after I get everything I want in here, I'm gonna clean it. Get Mr. Bug out of the sink. He don't like it there.